Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss Information and Communication Technology Pedagogy Integration MCQs. These questions will helpful for TET and DSC also. So let's begin. Our first question is Computer co-learning system is related to learning, reading and working, and our option is learning. Computer co-learning system is related to learning. Question second, information and communication technology include. Our options are internet, educational, television, email, and the correct option is all of these. Information and communication technology include internet, educational, television, and emails. Question third, what is true about ICT in education? And our options are improve quality of education and learning, improve learning environment, improve learning, and the correct option is all of the above. Question 4. Which of the following are parts of ICT? Our options are information and communication infrastructure, information technology, communication technology, and our answer is all of the above. Information and communication infrastructure, information technology, communication technology are parts of ICT. Question 5. Which of the following is not an ICT device? And our answer is watch. Watch is not a ICT device. Television, internet, radio is an ICT device. Question 6. Which of the following are the main function of a computer? And our options are accepting input, storing and processing data, controlling result and functions in the form of output. And our correct option is all of the above. Accepting input, storing and processing data, controlling result and function in the form of output are the main functions of computer. Question 7. Which of the following is a group of hardware? And the correct option is scanner, monitor, mouse, processor. Scanner, monitor, mouse, processor is a group of hardware. Next question. Educational technology second is also known as software approach. Software approach. Next question. Which of the following group is related to hardware? ALU, CPU, monitor and keyboard. Our group is related to hardware. Question 10. Watching and listening both are possible. Options are on a TV, computer, video, text, and the correct option is all of these. A TV, computer, video, text are watching and listening are possible of this. Possible of all of these. Question 11. Which of the following is a group of software? MS Word, Photoshop, MS Excel. Question 12. The brain of the computer is called CPU. Question 13. The living material used in hardware device such as slide, films, cassettes, illustrative materials, etc. are called software. Question 14. By what other name is software now in the world of education technology? Soft tools. Soft tool other name is software in the world of educational technology. Question 15. Educational technology second is also now by which other name? System analysis. System analysis is also now educational technology second. Question 16. Hardware is also by what other name? Hard device. Question 17. Which of the following is an audio instrument? Options: radio, projector, epidoscope, Mayadeep. And the correct option is radio. Radio is a audio instrument. Projector, epidoscope, Mayadeep are not an audio instrument. Question 18. When did the system approach come into use? After the Second World War. After the Second World War, the system approach comes into use. Question 19. What is very important under system approach? And the options are system approach, system analysis, system. And the correct option is all of these. System approach, system analysis and system is very important under system approach. Question 20. How many parts are there in approach system? 4. 4 parts are there in approach system. Question 21. Arrange the following steps of system approach in sequence. And the first arrangement is definition of need. After that, determining objects. After this, statement of limitation. And the final, searching for alternative for problem solving. Question 22. Which of the following is not a method of system approach? System engineering. System engineering is not a method of system approach. Other options like system analysis, system approach and system research, method of system approach. Question 23. The main element of the system are pay and provide. Pay and provide. Question 24. The specialized required for computer assistant instruction is computer engineering. 25. Computer aided instruction consists of using computer. The teacher will be able to spare time for other students. Unlike humans, the computer will not feel tired in giving the learner experience of learning. Learner experience of relearning. And all students will reach the highest level of learning at their own pace. Computer aided instruction consists of using computer. The teacher will be able to spare time for other students. Unlike humans, the computer will not feel tired in giving the learner experience of relearning. All students will reach the highest level of learning at their own pace. Question 26. The technique of computer-aided instruction in which it is ascertained through various examples whether the student has developed a skill or not. Practice technique. Question 27. Computer assisted instruction can be used in the field of education. For A, drill and practice. For A, drill and practice. B, tutorial and dialogue. C, teaching and instruction. And the correct option is all of the above. Drill and practice, tutorial and dialogue, teaching and instructions are computer assisted instruction, can be used in the field of education. Question 28. In the informational ICA method, the computer acts as an inquiry officer, immediately give the information that is asked for from it. C. Both are correct. Question 29. The advantage of computer assisted instruction is that A. Through this, many students with different abilities can be instructed simultaneously. B. Through this, the performance of the student is evolved simultaneously. And C. Through this, variety can be brought in the use of method. And the correct option is all of the above. ICT means Information Communication Technology. Information Communication Technology. Thank you for watching.